Hello and welcome to this video on finding all the factors of a given number. So when we want to find all the factors of a given number, we're looking at the numbers that go into that number. So think about 64. We can see straight away that 2 goes into it because it's an even number. We could see that maybe 8 goes into it because we might know that 8 times 8 is 64. However, that's not good enough because what we want to be systematic so we don't miss any of these factors. And the best way to think about this is to get the factors in pairs. Every factor has a pair which when multiplied together will give the original number. So the first that we always start with is 1 times by the number itself. Then we try 2, and if we know our 2 times table, we'll know it's 2 times 32. And then we think, does 3 go into it? Well, there is a rule for the 3 times table. If we add the 2 digits together in the number, so if we add 6 and 4 together, that gives me 10. Because 10 is not in the 3 times table, therefore 64 is not in the 3 times table. So I don't do 3, I skip past it. Now, does 4 go into it? Well, yes, it does. 4 times by 16. And if we didn't know this, you could check it or try your 4 times table up that far. Does 5 go into it? No, because it does not end in a 0 or a 5. 6 does not go into it because 3 does not. 7 does not. 8 does, and it is 8 times by 8. And as soon as I get a duplicate, I stop. So therefore, my factors of 64 are 1, 2, 4, 8. Notice I only list the 8 once because it's a factor. We don't need to mention it twice. We know it goes into it. And then 32, and then 64, and that would be my answer. Notice this was a square number, so I did have a repeated factor there. Let's have a look at another example. All the factors of 120. So we're going to start the same. 1 times 120. 2 goes into it, and it is 2 times 60. 3 does go into it this time, and it is 3 times 40. Why did I know that? Because I did 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 0 is 3. 3 is in the 3 times table, so 120 will be. 4 does. 4 times by 30. And again, if we did not know this, we could use the bus stop method and to divide it. Does 5 go into it? Yes, because it ends in a 0, and it is 5 times by 24. Again, you could use the bus stop method on this. If you don't understand the bus stop method, watch some of the other videos on my website and you'll find out how to do that efficiently. Does 6 go into it? Yes, because if it's a number in the 3 times table and it is even, it is going to be in the 6s. So that's 6 times by 20. It's not in the 7s. Is it in the 8s? Yes. It is 8 times by 15. Does 9 go into it? No, 9 does not go into it. Does 10 go into it? Yes. 10 times by 12. And then 11 does not. And then the next would be 12 times 10, which would be a duplicate. So we would stop. So we can see it's got a lot of factors, but 120 has the factors 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, 12, 15, 20, 24, 30, 40, 60, and 120. And we've not missed any out because we were systematic. So if you could pause the video now and have a go at this one for me, please. And then I'll go through the answer in a short time. Hopefully you got that right. Thank you for watching.